Vikram Malhotra,
Because आपको
the
इंडिया
producer of the film,
uh,
because he was the one guy who heard about 10 lines of the film, and I had gone to probably every studio trying to raise the money at that time, and he got the film, and I know despite a lot of internal resistance, still he saw through the film, and it's easy for a director to fall in love with his script and to try and see what he's trying to make, and that's a personal journey. But for a producer, at times these journeys are much more difficult because he's trying to guess what you're trying to do, and it takes really good producers to understand what that person's trying to do, especially when he's been rejected by most of the studios for that film. So this one's to Vikram Malhotra.
क्या कंगना से बात हुई आपकी और क्या बातचीत हुई कंगना से?
सारी बातें बताऊं?
हाँ बिल्कुल, यही मौका है.
सबसे पहले तो उनको कल विश नहीं किया था मैंने, और it was a birthday, and no, Kangna and I, it's been so close to us, and we know how we've been through all those days of making the film and the struggle. So it just, I guess, emotionally, it's at another level for us that now we can't even express it beyond a point. We can just congratulate each other and say, let's catch up and chat about it. But it's been a sort of a thriller for the two of us, and it's an emotional thriller for Kangna.
Because also Vishal Bhardwaj is having a bash tonight at Villa 69 with his whole team. So when are you planning to take your Queen team over there, or or
I'm
probably
taking my Queen team to Villa 69 where Vishal sir is having his bash.
विशाल, हर किसी डायरेक्टर का एक सपना होता है कि उसका जो फिल्म रिलीज होता है तो नेशनल अवार्ड उसे मिले. तो इंडिया के प्रेसिडेंट के हाथों आपको नेशनल अवार्ड मिलने जाएगा, तो वो लम्हा आपके लिए कितना खास होगा, आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
No, it's हाँ जी,
हिंदी में बोलिए प्लीज.
अच्छा, ये हिंदी का सडनली प्रेशर आ गया, एकदम इंग्लिश ही निकलती है उसका ना. नहीं नहीं, बहुत सबसे पहले हम लोग अभी डिसाइड करेंगे कि कपड़े क्या पहने, क्योंकि प्रेसिडेंट देखने वाले हमको, तो उसमें काफ़ी मेहनत लगती है. और तो लास्ट टाइम जब हम गए थे तो हमको चिल्ला पार्टी में नेशनल अवार्ड मिला था, तो सब लोग ऐसे वो नमस्ते करके ऊपर चढ़ रहे थे. तो सब लोग, मैंने देखा, धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू कर दिए थे पीछे, कि ऊपर जाके ऐसे करना है कि ऐसे करना है. तो वो काफ़ी एक एक्सरसाइज है. नेशनल अवार्ड एक दिन का रिहर्सल होता है उससे एक दिन पहले. और पर आई थिंक इट्स एन ऑनर, लाइक माई, जैसे मेरे पिताजी ने मुझे कहा कि अभी जब तुम मरोगे तो ऐसा लिखा जाएगा, नेशनल अवार्ड विनर विकास बहल. तो बोला, डैड आप तो नहीं देखने वाले ये, तो इतने खुश क्यों हो रहे हो? तो पर आई थिंक इट्स समथिंग जिसके साथ अब पूरी उम्र एक जीने को मिलता है, और वो एक टैग होता है, स्टैम्प. तो इट्स गुड.
Because we haven't been seeing Kangna, the leading lady who has won the national award. Will we see her take that award home?
I think so, and I hope so.
Okay.
My question is to Vikas and Vikram. Bombay Velvet has been, the trailer has been getting mixed reactions. So what is your expectations now from it?
The mixed is very good to excellent. And they're debating very strongly whether it's a very good trailer or an excellent trailer. I think it's a fabulous film. It's a great trailer. And 15th May, you're all out there to watch it and final verdict. But it's Anurag's masterpiece. It's really beautiful.
Today Anurag couldn't make it today.
Anurag better finish his film. It's 15th of May is the release.
Radhika, in both of here, right here.
Actually, we can't see one person over there. So that's why we are reacting to.
Radhika, in both your films, you played this lover or wife who stands by her husband or lover, even though that person was wrong. Will you ever play the damsel in distress ever in your? Now that you've played such different, strong characters till now, both 2 times, yeah. Will you ever play a weak, typical heroine, a weak?
In my films, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, yeah, it depends on what part is offered and what exactly, why is the part there in the film and what is the whole plot of the film, and if that part makes sense, really. You know what I'm saying? And if that part makes sense because the film is trying to say something else. You know, so it really depends on the plot. I don't know. I have no such things of what I should do and what I shouldn't do. It's literally the part comes, and if it's exciting enough, then I take it.
विक्रम, कमिंग बैक टू बॉम्बे वेलवेट, जो जब ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ था तो उसको बॉलीवुड से काफी कुछ रिएक्शन नहीं मिला था. नॉर्मली जो दूसरी फिल्में होती हैं, एक्टर्स डू ट्वीट अबाउट दैट फिल्म, बट बॉम्बे वेलवेट के लिए ऐसा कुछ नहीं मिला था. एंड अकॉर्डिंग ऐसा बोला जा रहा है कि बिकॉज ऑफ अनुराग्स एरोगेंट बिहेवियर, बॉलीवुड इज नॉट सपोर्टिंग हिम. व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन इट? या
भैया, अनुराग का एरोगेंट बिहेवियर तो आप उसी से पूछो. No, I think the reaction to the trailer is really good. It's just that Anurag has gone and done something very different, which is a person who's made movies for the last 10-12 years, and the kind of movies he's made and the struggle he's gone through, and the way he's moved cinema is unreal. It's a dream for anyone in the film fraternity to be able to do the kind of work Anurag has single-handedly done, and this is his next step. And I hope all of you and everyone in the industry realizes what it takes to come from where to here, and just truly supports him in seeing this one through.
We've also heard that Ranbir might not be, promoting this film. Is it true?
क्या पता नहीं आप किससे मिल रहे हो आजकल. हाँ, वो जिसने लिखा उसे पूछ लेना प्लीज.
One question to Vikram and Vikas. Phantom is extremely close to one actor who recently got engaged, that is Shahid Kapoor. What are your reactions on the same?
Congratulations to him.
So it's true, right?
I don't know. I also read it in the paper.
We saw you all socializing at Madhu's.
I love it how journalists pick up journalist news and ask us those questions. आपस में discuss कर लो ना यार. खुद लिखा, हमको यहाँ बैठा दिया, हमसे पूछ रहे हो आप लोगों ने जो लिखा ठीक है कि नहीं.
हाँ, लेकिन अनाउंसमेंट तो 2 दिन पहले हुआ था ना, एंगेजमेंट तो 1 हफ्ते पहले था. आपके बड़े डेट्स हैं. I also read in the paper seriously.
Harsh, looking back, hello. Hi, looking back at the film now, do you feel there could have been some changes or improvements once you have made the film now with the responses? So, what do you feel like, and how does
I think I'll get to know about that after maybe 3-4 months. Once I'm really disconnected from the film, I've forgotten everything, because it's been a really long journey. I mean, my partner Kirti and myself, we started this journey, some 8-9 years back. And right from the script and so many drafts that we have sat together. So it's there. I'm still breathing the film. So once I probably forget it totally and probably on to the next film, that's when probably I'll be analyzing it and agreeing with a lot of people who had issues with it and saying, yeah, I made a mistake.
The only good thing is the tables have turned now. We're pitching ourselves as the producers to her, saying, can we please produce your next film?
राधिका, मेरा सवाल आपसे. राधिका, अगर आपको अभी आपने वरुण धवन के साथ काम किया पिछली फिल्म में, अगर आपको आगे मौका मिलता है तो आपको 3 चॉइसेस दी जाती हैं, रणबीर सिंह, रणबीर कपूर और सलमान खान. किसके साथ काम करना चाहेंगे आप?
कहाँ है? आपको देख लूं पहले.
इधर.
सर, ये काम का मतलब क्या है? What do you exactly mean by काम?
वासुगिरी.
I put you in a spot now.
ये बहुत ही पर्सनल सा सवाल पूछा है आपने.
तो पर्सनल सा आंसर दे दिए.
तीनों यार, तीनों चाहिए मुझे.
एक प्लीज एक.
ए भाई, अगर वो इनको ही चुन लो.
प्लीज
थोड़ा और प्लीज.
मैंने इतनी रिक्वेस्ट कर दी आपसे, अब तो बता दीजिए.
एक और ऐसा ही वाला प्लीज एक बार फिर से.
सर, आप इतने बड़े डायरेक्टर हैं तो मैं बार-बार क्या प्लीज करूं? आप ही प्लीज कर दीजिए.
अरे सवाल तो इनसे है.
तो सर, आप डायरेक्शन दे रहे हैं ना,
तो मैं इनकी तरफ से बता दूं.
जी बिल्कुल,
कि ये किसके साथ
आप ही बता दीजिए.
क्या है ना अलग अलग चीजें है
एक मिनट
नहीं एक्चुअली आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ ऑल द थ्री और इतना मुश्किल सवाल मत पूछो यार सबके सामने बहुत ही मतलब एम्बैरेसमेंट
विकास बहल सर को बता दिए वो हमें बता देंगे
वो मेरे साथ काम करना चाहती
yeah actually that is true
thank you
thank you
Harsh, what was it about Gulshan that made you think that he's a
But once it was written, I didn't think about an actor for it while writing it, because it's based on a lot of these real life people. So, but one thing was sure, if I had done this film in the 70s or 80s, I would have loved to cast Amol Palekar. So I was looking for today's Amol Palekar, and this really normal, simple looking guy, who's not so impressive. I mean, just by looking at him, but when I saw him finally in real life, he was. So I gave him the script, nevertheless, because I'd seen a few films of his. So the first thing that he told me after reading the script, the meeting, he said, you know what, if I actually approach doing this role, I mean, the way I will approach.
Well, I think the social message is that there's strength in family. That family, as evil as I am,